What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Zach's Vlogs. My name is Zach, and today I'm just relaxing here at the college, just waiting for my class to start. Nice day out. Clouds, partly cloudy, I don't know. But anyways, here's one of the things I want to talk about. The building that I usually go over to on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there's a lift in there, and that lift is now disabled. I was planning on doing a video on that, but and is but since it's disabled now, I can't do a video on it. You might saw part of it, just not all of it, or most of it. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just hanging around at the college, waiting for class to start, and maybe I'll see one of my friends around. I mean, who knows? It is a nice day out. See? Beautiful day out. It's gonna get hot, though. It's gonna get so hot later. So, I'm curious. I'm very curious what you guys want me to do, whether you want me to do one vlog a day or 2 vlogs a day. Because 2 vlogs a day is interesting. You get to see more of how my day is and stuff. But I'm guessing I could still do 1 vlog a day. Depends on what you guys want. You know, supply and demand and stuff like that. So, don't really know what else to talk about. Just walking around campus, my college campus. I guess we can walk over to one of my favorite spots. Well, not really one of my favorite spots. One of the spots that I look, this is the building that I hang out in every Tuesday and Thursday. And you see that Sirius got a fountain right here. And that's pretty cool. See? This campus is so big, so awesome. I love every moment. I love every inch of this place. I walked around this place quite a bit, like on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I pretty much know my way around now. So there's this building that's coming up, and it's not where I hang out or anything. It's just cool to look at and look into. I can look into this building through that mail slot there. yeah, it's pretty cool in there. Get to see some pretty neat stuff. I love mail slots. I love mail slots so much. But that's not what I was gonna show you, but I showed you guys that anyways. Look, you can see more inside. Huh? See, the thing is with this campus, there's spiders everywhere. See that little guy? Hold on, let me zoom in. See that guy? That guy right there? That's a spider. I mean, there's not too many here. There's just enough. Well, not enough, but I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. That's not what I wanted to show you though. What I wanted to show you is this. A payphone. I have not seen a payphone in a long time, and it still works. Gonna have to like put coins in it or something, but yeah, that's a payphone. There's also another one, but that's on the other side of campus. I don't think I have time to go over there. Yeah, I could start walking over there, but then I wouldn't. But then I'd have to walk back to my class, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait by my classroom, or maybe wait near the classroom until until class starts. I love this campus. Hello. People say hi to me all the time. It's awesome. Because most of the people that graduated high school with me are now here at the college, and that's pretty cool. I see them around. And they usually come around different times of the day, because you can either go to college at 8, like in the morning, or like 2 in the afternoon, and college is so fun like that. You get to pick your own times when you get to go, not like high school or middle school or elementary where you have to go at some regimented schedules and whatnot. At college you can pick your own time. Tuesdays and Thursdays I come to college at 2, because my class starts at 2:30, so I have time to walk around and explore and whatnot. This campus is really pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I've vlogged on for long enough, so I'm gonna end the video here. Alright? Alright. Hello?
Hi.
Alright. Now I'm gonna end the video here. Whew. Had to get out of the sun for a while. Getting hot. Anyways, this is Zach, out.